If it's time to chill with all the chicken and you're simply fed up with all the fish, maybe it's time you try something different and it looks a lot like this. Oh, he killed it. That boy's a poet and he didn't know it. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. And now I found out that I'm a rapper or a poet and didn't know it. Anyway, if you're trying to lose a few pounds for the summer, trying to diet, the doctor told you need to lose a few pounds to get healthy or whatever the case may be. Chicken, fish, tuna, chicken, fish, turkey. Over and over and over again. I think I may have found a little something to break up the monotony. I'm going through Rouse's a few weeks ago and I found this jewel. This is a Cajun sausage stuffed eggplant. The first thing I noticed, $1.74. Can't beat that. And some of the numbers on this thing. I was going through when I got ready to start the video, and I'm thinking to myself, this ain't too bad for you. Now, half an eggplant stuffed with sausage. According to what kind of sausage it is, we're looking at an average of about 336 calories, fat 15.7 grams, cholesterol 65.9, sodium 390, potassium 811. And if you need potassium, it's a good source of potassium. Carbohydrates, 24 grams. It's got dietary fiber, 2.5 grams of sugar. Protein, 28 grams of protein. Now, me personally, if I was trying to diet, I wouldn't eat this whole thing. I would only I would cut it in half. Because that's a lot. Look at all that. That's a lot. So you would cut that in half. So you're looking at about 160 calories. Carbohydrates, you're looking at about 12 or 13. Protein, you're looking at about 14, 15 grams of protein. So all in all, it's not a bad alternative. The only caveat to this is you have to like the taste of eggplant. Eggplant to me tastes kind of like, I don't know, a bell pepper. If you would cook the bell pepper, it kind of has that kind of bland taste. But I take mine and I grind it up, kind of chop it up with my fork or my knife, and kind of eat the eggplant along with the sausage, and I flavor it a little bit. You put a little bit of garlic on it, some of that nature, whatever your taste, or ketchup. Kind of treat it like a meatloaf. You can put a little bit of ketchup on it, or a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and kind of flavor it up a little bit. And I don't put cheese on mine, but that's a good idea. And I got one that I was working on this morning. This is what the finished product looks like. Check that out. That looks delicious. I'm gonna put this back in my Hot Logic and finish cooking it. Those of you who don't know, this is this little contraption right here is called a Hot Logic. And this thing cooks at 165 degrees. And I let my eggplant cook all day in this Hot Logic. If you wanna know more about the Hot Logic, I will drop that in the description section, or we'll put it in the video here somewhere, and you can learn all about the Hot Logic. I love this thing. I keep one in my Jeep, I keep one in the kitchen, I keep one at work. Put my food on, my lunch, about 7 o'clock. It's already cooked, but I just keep it warm at 165 degrees, like I said earlier. And then when the lunch comes around 11:30, I pull it out, and it's piping hot, ready to go. So there you have it. If you're looking for an alternative to all the chicken and fish and turkey and tuna, try eggplant stuffed it. And to make it even better, you can take this thing probably and stuff it with some chicken, something a little less than the sausage, with fewer calories or whatever the case may be, and make it even better. So with that being said, if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, make sure you give us a thumb down. In the comment section, give us a brief reason as to why you didn't like it, and give us some advice and maybe help us improve here at This and That. And if you do like what we do here at This and That, hit the old subscribe button And if you subscribe, hit the old notification bell so you'll know every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Y'all take care. Have a great day. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.